just a party. It is a cultural awakening.
Thank you, my Benue people. Thank you.
Odi Woods built this brick by brick. Now, we're here to ensure we put a roof on it. This is about taking our identity, our sound, our industry to the global stage. The 10th edition is the new phase. Nigeria's greatest musical export, Innocent Tubaba Idibia, officially joins the movement, not just as a guest, but as a major partner. Made in Benue MIB All-White Party is proudly supported by the Benue State government. MIB's beverage partner is Benue Investment in Property Company BIPC, showcasing the Benue-made products. December 26, 2025, the 10th edition, with Tubaba on stage, BIPC, and a decade of legacy behind it. This is set to be the largest gathering of Benue people in history. Made in Benue is expecting thousands of people from the diaspora. This is for the culture. This is for the kids dreaming in Boko, Otukpo, and Kasinala. We are showing the world that Benue is not just a place on the map. It is a lifestyle.
Made in Benue, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We are made in Benue.
Don't set the stage, white party light up the